Okay, in today's video, we're going to learn how to burn MicroPython into our ESP32. To follow today's video, you would need a ESP32 and a USB cable. And if you like today's videos, please subscribe to my channel. And right now, let's begin this tutorial. Okay, the first step, I would need you to connect your ESP32 to your computer with the USB cable. After the connecting, in your ESP32, you should see there is a red light on. That means your ESP32 is powered on. And after that, we can move to the next step. Because right now, your computer actually cannot recognize your ESP32. And to solve this problem, you would need to install a driver. And different kind of ESP32 require different kind of drivers. In today's tutorial, the ESP32 I'm using requires CH340 driver, and if your ESP32 requires a different kind of driver, just type the drivers which would fit your need, right? So we click this link because I'm using Windows system in my computer, so I'm looking for Windows drivers. Just right here, click this link. Oh, you see, I already download one of them. And after you download this drivers, just install this driver in your computer. Because I have installed this in my computer, so I would just skip this step and move to the next step of this tutorial. So after installing the driver in your computer should recognize your ESP32 right now. And to verify this, we click the Windows button and type Device Manager. And we move to the port section and click this arrow icons. You can see my computer recognized two devices. If you're not sure whether your ESP32 has been recognized, you can disconnect your ESP32 from the computer and see what happens. See? Before disconnecting my ESP32, my computer recognized two devices, but after the disconnecting, only one device shows. Now you're pretty sure that the device just disappeared is your ESP32. Now we reconnect our ESP32 to our computer, and after installing the driver and the driver works, we can burn MicroPython into our ESP32. In this step, we're going to download MicroPython. Just type MicroPython in your Google, and this is the official website of MicroPython. We move to the download page. Because MicroPython supports different kind of machines, you need to carefully choose the one you're using. We move to ESP32. And this is the device I'm using. Just click this link. We scroll down, and there are many different kind of versions of this MicroPython firmware. Just choose the one you like. Let's just pick a random one. How about this? Okay, right now you can see the firmware has been downloaded to your computers. Okay, we're so close of finishing installing MicroPython into our ESP32. To do that, you would need a software named Thonny. Thonny is an IDE for Python. Just download this software, install it, and open this software. And then we move to the bottom right and click the menu. We go to the Configure Interpreter. Let's go to the Install or Update MicroPython. Click this. And right now we move to this button and select local Python, select local MicroPython image. And this is the image we just download. Open this image. Okay, all these default parameters are good. You don't need to change any one of them. You just move to the target ports and click the drop down menu. Select the select the ports your ESP32 are using, because we're using this one. So we click this. Now, final step, we're going to install MicroPython into our ESP32. But before that, you need to hold the boot button on your ESP32. Yes, make sure before clicking the install button, you hold your boot button on your ESP32. This is very, very important. Otherwise, this process would fail. So after holding the boot button on your ESP32, we click installed. Now you can release your hand from your boot button. We wait. Okay, the installing process is finished. You can see there's a done, right? You can see there's a done. We just close this menu. Now we disconnect our ESP32 from our computers, and then we reconnect it. And we move the bottom right and we choose ESP32. Okay, you see, now MicroPython has been installed successfully in our ESP32. Okay, it works. And that's the end of this videos, and I hope you liked today's videos, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Guess I'll see you next time.